Hey guys, welcome back for another video. Today we're going to do something a little bit different. We're going to do a little bit of reminiscing, a little bit of looking back, because look, sometimes it's easy to lose sight of your goals and to get discouraged and to lack motivation, really. And as you know, we got a lot of stuff going on the channel. We started rating my subscriber Celica videos. If you want to enter into that, I'll put a link in the description down below where you can send your entries via email. Before we get going here, you guys, make sure you drop a big like on this video and hit subscribe if you have not already. Our goal, 10,000 subscribers by June. So let's do that. We also got the Fox body engine block up on the stand, getting it prepped for paint. We, as you know, have to fix the Celica. I just got in from the garage. I was working on a project for a friend of mine, and then I actually just got the Vivid vinyl in this week. I'm not going to tell you what color we're doing, but we're wrapping the entire Celica, so stay tuned for that. But with all the things we got going on the channel, it's easy to kind of get lost, really, when you have so much stuff going on. So today I just wanted to look back and enjoy some of the moments and some of the incredible opportunities that we've had on the channel. So I just compiled a bunch of clips from previous videos, and I hope you guys enjoy looking back on them with me.
You want to honk it or you want me to do it? Okay, let's get to 30.
Yo, are you ready?
Yeah, give me a second.
No, I'm filming you.
What?
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Look at this new steering wheel, guys. We gotta show you. Pull that off of there. Oh. Yeah, that thing's nice.
Thanks.
Wait, there's still something wrong with your car, though.
I don't want to talk about it.
We got about 15 people in fat suits. They're kind of deflating as we go, but I tried to get some of this. Lucian's doing most of it, but I had to walk back just to get this. Some of you have been asking about the Mazda. Damn, she looks good. Holy crap. Alright, so we got the grill off the truck, which is going to allow us to access those tranny cooler lines. You can see right here is the cooler, and the lines go in right on the end there. And I did lie, there are Jesus clips. God. Anyway, at least there's not Jesus clips on the other side where it's not as accessible. But I'm going to get going on this, you guys, and then we'll catch back up with you on this project.
You're all done?
Yeah.
Can you do a rolling shot where you're sitting on the ground so you can get in the sun of the, like a slow-mo of the rim?
Oh, of the wheels in motion?
Yes.
That's a good idea.
Then literally all you do is push the button. Here we go. Look at this thing, you guys. So we got Brembo brakes up front, and look at, there's like almost no space between that caliper and the wheel. Absolutely giant. All right, guys, so here we are. Very first time I've ever been in a Civic Type R, and this thing is awesome, you guys. The seats, like, they're a part of me. All right, guys, so we're about to do the first pull ever in the Civic Type R, and now I'm gonna be nice to the car because it's not mine, and it only has like 200 miles on it, so it's not completely broken in yet, but let's see what we got.
let's go, man. I'm Mexican, not built for this. Did you just get stuck?
Why don't you get a job? Boop. Some kid pepper sprayed himself in the face, and like I came out into the hallway and it got in my eyes. It was awful. Alec, you like actually match. The helmet, look at this, your little vent.
I know, it's a little accent orange. Where's my bubble suit?
What color you want?
What colors you got?
Guys, no. What's wrong with this picture here? What's wrong with that? 1, 2, I can't count that high. One of them dropped somewhere down there and I didn't hear it hit the ground, which is great. I can feel it. God damn it. Alright, so the road that I wanted to go to, there's 2 sheriffs parked on it right now. So we're going to drive back that direction and see if they're there, and if they're not, then we're just going to have to find another road.